Hello and welcome all. So, any idea what are we going to learn today? Well, today we are going to learn adverbs. Yes. Are you ready? Let's begin. Okay, so let's begin by reading a paragraph. Okay, the birds sang sweetly and the flowers bloomed daily. It was springtime. Little Saroj sat comfortably on the balcony, observing the pink cherry trees. Her brother Hari played the piano so beautifully that she was lost in her thought. Saroj quickly got her painting book and drew the view before her. The cherry trees were the prettiest thing she had ever seen. Now, let's answer some questions. So, the first question, how did the birds sing? So, the birds sang sweetly, right? Sweetly. Then, how did Saroj sit? Saroj sat comfortably. Okay. Then, how did Hari play the piano? So, Hari played the piano so beautifully. Okay. Beautifully. Then, how did Saroj get her painting book? So, Saroj quickly got her painting book. Now, the answers to these questions sweetly, comfortably, beautifully, and quickly. Do you know what they are? They are adverbs. Now, what is an adverb? A word used to describe a verb or tell how a particular action is done is called an adverb. Now, we can also add an ly to an adjective and make it an adverb. Okay? Now, let's look at some examples. Okay, so the first one, she shouted loudly. Okay, how did she shout? She shouted loudly. So loudly is an adverb. We added an ly. And how did she shout? She shouted loudly. This is loudly. How? It describes an action. Okay. So she shouted loudly. We added an ly and this becomes an adverb. Then Neetu works cleverly. How does Neetu work? Cleverly. Cleverly here is an adverb. We add an ly and this becomes our adverb. Then Geeta writes slowly. How does Geeta write? Slowly. It describes how does Geeta write. Slowly we add an ly and slowly becomes an adverb. Aryan dressed neatly. How does Aryan dress again? Neatly. So neatly here is an adverb. Now, let's review whatever we've learned. Okay, so we'll fill in the blanks using the words given in the brackets. Now, do not forget to add ly. The sun shone dash. Okay, bright. We have the word bright. So, what do you think will be the correct answer here? Yes, the sun shone brightly. Brightly is the correct answer. Great. Then Radha crossed the road dash and the word careful in the bracket. So what do you think will be the adverb, appropriate adverb used here? Yes, absolutely right. Radha crossed the road carefully is the correct answer. Then my grandmother talks dash. Soft. We have soft in the bracket. What do you think will be the adverb here? Absolutely right. My grandmother talks softly. Softly is the correct answer here. Well, congratulations. You've learned a new topic today. So thank you and see you in the next session. Goodbye.